Hi there, it's Phil C here with you. And I wanted to begin this video by letting you know that every now and then I like to share something that's so important to all of us. Yet we are so busy in what we are doing, we seem to forget. And if you've never heard anyone say this to you, then I'm honored to be the one in your life right now to let you know that deep down and to remind you that everything out there is a miracle. Everything, including you. If you don't feel that right now, it doesn't mean that you are not that, because you can't hide from the truth, and you truly are that. I trust you're having a great weekend, a great week thus far, wherever you were tuning in from around the world. So bless you always. In this video, I want to cover 2 trades from the STO as an update for you, and then also cover 2 intraday trades that I'm currently involved in. One of them is a bat pattern and the other one is a trend trade. We've got some decent pips from our previous trades, so if you're also involved, and yeah, we did well on those. So pat ourselves on the back for good trades there. Before I send you over to the charts right now, please give me a like. It helps me tremendously to reach out to as many people as I can, to also be of service to them too. Appreciate you spending time with me, and I'm always grateful to spend another day with you. If you love trading as much as I do, keep watching and let's get those updates and the 2 live trades we are in now. All right, thanks guys. What are we looking at? Well, I'm currently in a day trade right now. Excuse me. What you can see in front of you here is an M formation. And as you can see, I've been in this for quite some time. Each one of these candles represents 1 hour of time. So I'm on the pound yen 1 hour time frame. Before I get to this and how we came about this trade and you know what I'm looking for and what I'm watching, just a quick update from the Star Trading overview. For those of you who know, which was it? For those of you who know about Kiwi dollar, so for our time frame, and the Euro dollar daily time frame. So these are just the updates of what has happened from the Star Trading overview. And instead of waiting for the weekend to inform you, I may as well show some intraday trade setups that I'm currently involved in that you just may have seen already. And just to update you exactly with what happened. Right, so this is Euro dollar on the daily time frame. So each candle here represents 1 day. Yeah, 1 trading day. So what did happen is price action came up. For those of you who've been watching, we came down. We didn't get our entry when we identified this trade. We waited on the 4-hour time frame for price action to come back up into our entry level. And then we did get our entry right here. Then we came down and we hit target 1. Now, where is target 1? A Fibonacci retracement from this leg of the move all the way to swing high. This W formation is a bat pattern. So Fibonacci swing low to swing high. We got involved at this level right here, so 0962. And then we came down, well actually, price action pushed up a little bit further. And then we rolled our fibs, right? Because we're always adjusting our fibs, because that way we're always measuring price action. Then we came down and hit target 1 at the 382. Now, when that happens, when price action comes all the way down to the 382, I might change the color of this box right here. Oh, no, it's a bit too strong. Right there. As price action comes down and hits the 382, because we're always trading 2 targets here, always trading 2 contracts, we take off half of the position. Once price action reaches 382, we take off half and we roll stops to break even. Okay, then my stops would be around here. In anticipation for price action to move to our second target down at the 618. But yeah, price action didn't get down there. What happened is price action came all the way back up into our entry level right there. And then we got knocked out for break even on target 2. But it was still a really good trade for about 80, let's just say 80 pips on that. So that's the update on euro dollar. Over on the Kiwi dollar as well, we did hit double targets on this one, right? So we got involved right up here. Again, this is another bat pattern, W formation here. So then we sell, whoops. Then we sell at the 886, okay? And then we're looking for target 1s at 382, which we get. Again, we take off half of the position. We roll stops to break even. We're looking for those follow-on targets right down at the 618. Yeah, which we do get. Yeah, so this was a really good trade, 74 pips and about 140 pips. So really good move on this. So that makes up for a couple of other trades that I got involved with and stopped us out. Your winners. At the end of the day, your winners are going to outweigh your losses. And that in trading is known as an edge. And when you're day trading and you're putting money at risk in the markets, it's important to know that what you were trading actually works and actually produces you a profit over time. So when you do run into a couple of losses, your wins are definitely going to outweigh that. And then, you're going to be ahead over time. You will get some months where you're negative. You will get some months where you're positive. But over a year's worth of trading, you're going to average out with more gains than you are losses. And that's just known as a positive expectancy, right? You win more than you lose. That way you have an edge. So the couple of trades that I'm currently involved in right now. So back to our pound yen 1 hour time frame. M formation, looking at this bat pattern. So Fibonacci's retracement, swing low to swing high. Okay, oops. Go to swing high, like this. And then price action comes down and hits the 382, right? So that gives us our first condition. Then we come up and hit the 618. And then we come all the way down, giving us our third condition, completion, right down at the 886. Now, as price action pushes down, I caught this late. Remember, anywhere from this low. See that box? There. Yep. Anywhere from the 886 to this low right here is our buy zone. Okay. A valid trade. So then price action trading around here. So I got a really good risk to reward on this trade. Stops below, just resting below the 113s here. And I'm looking for targets. Again, targets are the traditional pattern targets. Fibonacci retracement, swing high, all the way down to swing low. And here we go. We're looking at 382, target 1. Right here, and then up at 618 will be our target 2. Really good risk to reward here. Risking about 20 pips, let's say, for 43 pips, target 1, and 82 pips for target 2. Now, as price action, as we get involved, we buy it up right here, and then we're live in the position. That's all we do. We do nothing else. Once our criteria is met, price action comes down into our buy zone. We execute the trade. There's nothing more to do at this point. One or two things is going to happen. Price action is going to hit our stop, stopping us out, so we have a losing trade, or price action goes on and hits target, and we have a winning trade. It's up to Mr. Markets right now what is going to happen on this trade, on this position, because there's nothing more that I can do right now. I just wait and be patient, because my work has already been done. My analysis has already been complete. So then we play the patience game. We don't let any movement, what's happening right now with price action, we don't let any movement dictate or alter my decision-making process at this moment at all. Nothing. We accepted the risk, we executed the trade, we put the trade on, and that's it. And when you get to that state in your trading, it's an emotional liberating feeling to have that and to trade like that. That comes about with having a plan, that comes about with having an edge, trading that every day. Because you know that once you execute, that's it. If I do that every single day with discipline, then I will be consistent, which means I have consistent returns in my trading. So that's all I do every single day in and day out. What do we got? Oh yeah, and then the Kiwi yen over here. This is just a trend continuation trade. So right here, can you see this color? Looks nice on my screen. Maybe now you can see it. So here, price action, we're just trading the pullbacks. Okay. Kiwi yen 4-hour time frame. So each candle here represents 4 hours time. We start right down here. Okay. Actually, we've been bullish like this, and then we had a pullback like this, and then we have another move higher, right? And then we have a pullback, and then we have a new structure high because we close above these highs. Closing above these highs right here. And then we have a pullback, right? So anywhere within here, as you can see in my box, is my buy zone. We have a valid trend continuation trade. And then my stops are below these lows right here, because again, if price action pushes down lower, then I'm wrong initially on this move, and then I want to get out of position. However, with any luck, and it ends up in our favor, moving towards the upside, I want to get out of the markets if we retest these highs. Target 1, then a Fibonacci extension from this low to this high at the 127 Fibonacci extension for target 2s. Right there. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. Really good risk to reward on this trade as well, risking about 60 pips for 78 target 1s and 100 and let's say 139 for target 2s. Yeah, and this is just a traditional trend continuation trade that we've gotten involved with. And that's about it. So those are my updates. Not a long video today. Those are my updates on the 2 star trading overview trades, and then 2 intraday trades here at London Market Open, which will be in about half an hour's time. Over on my side of the world. Yeah, 4:30 now, so 5 p.m. will be London Market Open. Right. So that's it for this video. If you like this style of trading, be sure to check out the free training below, link in the description, and be sure to subscribe. And if you don't want to subscribe, then please help me out with a like, because those are the most important to help me with the algorithm to reach more people and help more people over time. Deeply, wholeheartedly appreciate you for any support and help. That's it for this one. Until next time, be safe, enjoy life, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much.